Muthaki wa nyimbo citiganite kimera-ini gia kambiini ukoretwo uri mutugo wa ateti kiumbio na ngwataniro citiganite ari njira ya kuguciriria kirindi micemanio-ini yao. Guku muingi na ateti magikenera nyimbo ici aini nao no gucakaya maracakaya nikira moigite ni kuhuthirwo kwa nyimbo ciao mategukuruhanio. Giko gia ica ikuhi ari ndugamano ire iyumiritie gatagati ka gikundi kia aini gia Sauti Sol na ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja. Gikundi giki gikiorota ngwataniro ino ni undu wa kuhuthira rwimbo rwao hindi ya mambura ma kwanirira munini wa Raila Odinga. Gikundi giki kiria gikuruhanagia ainia na areni Polycarp Ochieng, Austin Chimano, Bien Aima na Mudiga Savara kugerera ndumiriri moigite matire maheana rutha rwa rwimbo rwao ruhuthike kambiini-ini oro ciothe, makiorota ngwataniro ya Azimio ni kwagarara ihoto ciao na kuna watho, undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni bodi ya guthaitira ihoto cia athunduri KECOBO. Makiruta mukana guthii igoti-ini, Sauti Sol moigite uhuthiri wa nyimbo ciao ni umakuruhanitie na uteti mugaru na wendi wao, no abitha munene wa thothaiti ya aini ndagitari Ezekiel Mutua akiregana na ikinya riri na kuga ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ni yarihire muigana wa ciringi 562 kuheo marua ma gutumira nyimbo ciothe guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi.
That the license we issued on behalf of our members is sufficient for the exploitation of both performing and mechanical rights, which include synchronization. Not too long ago, we paid Sauti Sol 400,000 shillings, which included mechanical rights and synchronization, and they took it. So how can they say now we cannot license synchronization when for decades MCSK has been licensing synchronization?
Mutua ni akomithirie bodi ya guthaitira ihoto cia athunduri KECOBO ni kuingirira wira utari wao na gucungiriria githagathago sekta-ini ya waini, kuona makiria ya aini 15,000 ni mahete wigiririki MCSK kuheana marua ma uhuthiri wa nyimbo ciao Sauti Sol mari amwe ao.
Officers across the country, employees of MCSK, were collecting almost 650 million and distributing. That's when Sauti Sol were getting a lot of money, and other musicians. Okay? KECOBO, in order to benefit those cartels, came up in 2018-2019 with new tariffs and new regulations that introduced another licensing regime called Liberty. Introduced that thing that the collections dropped by almost 90%. So right now we have nothing to pay because of the same nonsense that they are talking about.
Gatagati ka huraniria giturwa kia president 38 na Mutua ahithuritie Raila Odinga nowe urihite ikinya riria riagirwo ni kuyukio ni ateti othe niguo kuguna muini, akihithuria ni mambikite cira igoti-ini gutuithania haro gatagati kao na KECOBO.
You should go to KECOBO and accuse them because we gave a proposal through public participation for them to gazette new tariffs that would have been higher. We would probably have charged the Raila Odinga campaign 1 million or 2 million, but they refused to gazette.
Kiripotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getao wa Wajiko.